Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the menu display or menu style on your Aurafit Trek 1 watch. Pretty simple. Let me go ahead and turn it on, and then I'm going to press the home button here, and you can look and see this is one of the style options you've got. You'll notice as I move through, we can see all of our different menu options. I could also use the touchscreen. This is kind of your rotary dial style. What if you don't like that? What if you want to change this up? How would we do it? What we're going to do is we're going to press the home button. From the main display, we're going to swipe down. We're going to click on this little gear icon over here. That'll take us to our settings. And then under settings, you can either use your touchscreen or you can swipe up till you see an option that says menu style. When you go into it, you're going to have some different options. You're actually going to have quite a few. I've never seen this many options on a watch. You've got roller, you've got kaleidoscope, you've got rolling, you've got cellular, or you've got the default, which is list, and that's going to be the one that I use. All you're going to do is choose the one you want to. It takes a second for it to flip over. Now if I hit the home button, same thing we just saw, but my menu is in list view. That's how you do it on the Aurafit Trek 1 watch. I hope the video helped.